What's this? This jump hard too. And yeah, turn that down. They jumped that hard though. No. Everybody got a flat on the BMW. BMW got some. What's up with y'all tires, bro? Bad tire. Bad tire. Bad tire. It's the bad tire show. What's this, an M5? No. It's doing hard though. Look at the interior. Yes, sir. 5 Series. That look better than the 7 to me. Put the air filters in there.
Yes, yeah, that's okay.
Let me go get me some coffee since I'm here. Alright, I'm finna go get me some coffee. You can come, you ain't gotta sit right there though. He ain't right there. They try to pack the whole house in here away from the ice. This joint's so clean. What's this? M5 boy. Yes, sir. M5 boy hard. Check him out. Thumbnail. This joint's so clean. Blue with the gray. The wheels hidden. M5 boy. Ah, they got all the competitions in here, huh? What's this? This jump hard too. And that jump's super clean. Thumbnail. Boy, got them M's. This joint is so hard. The M5, boy, what that joint going for? 133. Nice. 2026 boy. 133. It's my hard too. Boy got that grand Nash out here.